All right, so we've got both alliances ready. We'll go ahead and start our match in 3, 2, 1. All right, looks like we got movement on the blue alliance side. Team Squiggle, Splat, Bay. Attempting to clip, moving over to the observation zone for parking. And no movement from the red alliance side. 10 seconds left for the top of this.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
All right, we have the start of our tight operating period with blue alliance starting 3 points up and then parking during autonomous. Quickly move that up to 5. Scoring a preloaded sample into their net zone. School Splat Bay looking to put a specimen up on the high line, succeeding in doing so. Robot and human player working in tandem to move those samples to the activation zone and create specimens. Red Alliance trying to do the same, grabbing a specimen from Mad Hatters. It's like they're going with the under approach to their specimen. Blue Alliance and Squiggle Splat Bang just putting those specimens up one after another, working in tandem with their human player. 25 seconds left in this match until endgame. Mad Hatters running into their wall after the specimen alphabet. It's like Squiggle Splat Bang is putting those points up with 5 seconds left until the end game. The lead by Blue Alliance as we start the end game, 59-29. 20 seconds left in the end game. 15 seconds left for end game. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go ahead and watch our game animation here. Looks like we have a Blue Alliance victory with a Blue Alliance score of 80 by Blue Alliance. Give it up for both Blue and Red Alliances. Great job.